You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, and we'll be looking at how to say more confusing names as well, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. In India, it's often pronounced as Rohan, Rohan, or some skip the H in the middle as well and say more as Rohan, Rohan. Now in English, same thing, Rohan or Rohan, Rohan. How do you pronounce it? Do you pronounce the H yourself? If you know anybody, or if you are Rohan or Rohan, how do you say it? Let us know in the comments and let everybody know. More videos for you here to learn more. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.